5 more days till Christmas break, and it can't come soon enough. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a plan with me for the week of December 16th through the 22nd. We have 5 more days, 4 with kids, to get to winter break, and we can make it. Okay, so this kit is so gorgeous. I really, really love it. It's called Gingerbread by Sadie Stickers. It's beautiful, and I really like the reformat that she has been doing. This is just gorgeous. I love the foiling on it. So pretty. Here's some boxes. I really like this page and like how she's reorganized it. Super pretty. And then the bottom washi, we got some headers. Just super cute. I'm going to be using this Zig Clean Color Dot Marker in Oatmeal. And this is my 2024 makselife. I do have my new planner all set up and ready to go for the new year, which I'm excited for. But we got to finish up this one first. If you've never seen one of my plans, go plan with me's. Sorry about my scratchy voice, by the way. The way that I do mine is that I go ahead and set up the week on the Sunday before, and then I'll fill you in as many days as I can, and then at the end of the week, we'll add in some pictures and memory keeping to make it extra special. So let's get this spread set up. I'm going to begin with the 2 strips of bottom washi, and I decided this week to put this smaller one above the line just to give myself some room for daily gratitude. And I think I like the way that looks. I did bump it down just a little bit so that it wasn't like too big of a section for that, but I think it works. And I really love like the pattern on it. It's so pretty on both of those strips. So just trimming that off real quick, and then we're moving on to date covers. So I whited out the text on the page, and then I'm going to grab some numbers from my collection. I don't have a ton of rose gold stuff, but I have enough that it will work. So I grabbed some that don't really match, but you know, we have to use what we have. So I grabbed some of those and popped those in on the date covers, and these are a little bit too big for the text on the date covers, but like I said, we're just going with it. I think Sadie Stickers has some that are smaller than this now. Actually, I know she does, and they would fit perfectly on there, so I think I need to just in the future get some. Okay, now we are moving on to full boxes. These are so beautiful. Like, every single one of them is gorgeous, and I love how she did the foil overlays. It's just so pretty. So I'm just placing those in their normal spots for my style, and then I'm putting in some headers in the little section, like the little header section. Now these don't fill the whole section, but that's okay because I like the way that I do it. So then I'm grabbing some deco. She also is including more deco in her kits, which I really like, and these cute little paint swatches, which are adorable. And then I'm placing in this box on the sidebar for my favorite moment of the week. Next, on to plans for the week. So on Sunday, this was my nephew Stellan's 4th birthday, so I put that on a little label, and then just kind of grabbing this full box and trimming it down to cover most of the habits. There are 7 on the page, but this week I just wanted to track 4, so we're making that work. And then I'm checking my monthly to see if there's anything I need to put in, and then just putting in some to-do lists and hearts for daily gratitude. And then just writing in my habits. So we're keeping it very simple this week. I've got vitamins and meds, my workout / steps, my water, and my skincare. And then I put wrap gifts on every single day of this week because I was putting it off and I needed to get it done. And then on Sunday I was leaving town, so I wanted to get a bunch of stuff done on Saturday, so I'm just making lists for both of those days to prep to leave town and clean my house, do the laundry, all the things. It is Wednesday, so I stayed home from work on Monday because I was just not feeling good. I don't know what it is. I think it's just congestion because, like, I feel fine today and yesterday too. I just still have so much snot in my head. But I'm really glad I took Monday off, actually, even though I did have a lot of work to do. I was able to do a lot of it from home, and then I caught up yesterday. But yeah, I slept pretty much the whole day. And then yesterday was back at it. So right now, let's see where we're at. Let's talk habits first. So habits are going okay. Not with the steps in the workout. So I think I talked about this last week, but I went in to my clinic to get like just a checkup, which it turned into a full wellness check, which is good. Like, I was down for that. But now I have to get blood work done. I was supposed to do it Monday, obviously didn't get there. But then it got rescheduled for Thursday, and then today it got rescheduled for Friday morning, and I have to fast and everything, so that's not going to be super fun. But I am very curious to see what they say, like the results of the blood work, because I'm going to try really hard to just look at it as data and just use this data to hit the ground running after Christmas and things calm down, and just like start from there and not beat myself up about it if there's like bad news. But you know, I'm 40 now and I've gained some weight over the past couple of years. I'm not as active as I should be. So I have goals. If you watched my goal video, the health and wellness section was definitely the most substantial. So I've got some goals, and I just need to use this information that they give me, which I probably won't get the results until like after Christmas. But whenever I get that call, I'm just going to use the information, take it, and just go. Like, just do it. Like, because when am I going to start? That's the thing. Like, am I just going to keep waiting forever to get going on it? So, starting again from not quite square one, but yeah, it's just like, it's going to be interesting to see what they say. You know, like what's high or low or whatever. And then I can go from there. And I'm just going to try to keep that perspective. That like, it's fine. It's information. And I'm going to use that information to make some progress and reach my goals. So that's the plan with the whole blood work thing. I haven't had blood work done in like 3 years, I think. And last time, I think I was like pre-diabetic or something like that. I don't know. And then I like did a lot of good stuff, but then like totally fell off the wagon in the last 2, 3, 4 years. So yeah, I've got some work to do, but that's okay. I can do it. Okay, so I need to catch up on gratitude. For Tuesday, I felt better. And I'm going to put my sister Callie for today. She had a little surgery thing done today. And she did well. And she's just home resting. But I think that's it for today. I'm going to go wrap some more gifts because I drug them all out today so I could see how much I had left. And I've got quite a bit. But I need to prioritize like my friend gifts because we're doing our friend gift exchange on this day. I might go to happy hour. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do that because I really do need to get some stuff done. But I have all of Saturday, so like, I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. It is Saturday and I have so much to do. We're already more than halfway through the day, but I need to get moving on some things. I have actually gotten quite a bit done. I got my sister and my nephew's birthday gifts ready to go. And I picked up my prescription. I did a tire rotation this morning. I did my nails. I did the floors. I still need to dust. I think I'm going to make a little list down here because there are a few more things I need to do. Because I never dusted. And see it and I want to get rid of it. I need to edit my plan with me and finish up laundry. It's going. I just need to like finish it. I did bake some cookies this morning. Like I've been doing stuff. I've been up since like 7:45. I'm so tired though. Like I have a headache. It started yesterday. I didn't go to happy hour because I wasn't in the mood for that. But I did go play with my nephews after work for a little bit. I don't know what the deal is. And it's probably just a continuation of this. But I just can't keep up with like all of the snot in my head. It's just so gross. Okay, so tomorrow I just need to get up and leave by about noon-ish because it's my nephew's birthday and we want to celebrate that evening. But just some things around the house to do. I got the directions done for my friend Kat. She's going to come over and take care of my kitties. They're being so cute today. I love them so much. We exchanged gifts yesterday at work. My friends are just the best. I kind of felt bad because I didn't go all out this year. I don't know why, but I just kind of felt bad. But, you know, I don't know. It just was weird. But they gave me some really, really good stuff, and I'll make up for it when their birthdays come around. Okay, so what else do I need to do today? I'm going to put YouTube prep here because I'm going to get this video, just go ahead and get it like ready to go. I might do the cat boxes today, but I don't know. I might just save that for tomorrow morning. Habits. You know, I've done pretty well on my steps. Not yesterday. But, and water too, I'm doing pretty well on that. I just gotta keep that up. When I go out of town, I tend to not drink as much water as I should. But I'm gonna try this time to stay up on everything. And gratitude today. I'm just gonna put Christmas break because it came at just the right time. I'm tired. I'm gonna spend some time with my family. I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna recharge. But this is turning out so pretty. I love this kit. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Let's finish up this spread. So I have some pictures to include from this week. It was a pretty good week. Especially because we got to celebrate my nephew Stellan on Sunday. He turned 4, which is crazy. I remember the day that he was born. He was just such a little squishy, perfect little baby. So sweet and cute. He is still extremely cute. Here's him with his birthday cake. And here's his little annual picture. So adorable. Okay, let me get these pictures down. I'll be right back. Okay, now we need a few stickers, and I have the kit here that I want to add like a couple of little, I don't know, little like space fillers, like right here. I have so many cute pictures of my cats in here this week. They're just adorable. They're so snuggly. So cute. I love when they all get along with each other, but look how big they're getting. Like this is Teddy. He's, what, 7 months old now? I think almost 8 months old. But they're getting so big. Okay, let's put one of these birthday stickers on this for Stellan. I haven't heard back yet on my blood work. I did get the results, but like I don't know exactly what they're saying for sure. So I'm waiting to hear back on what that actually means. I think I kind of know, but not for sure. Okay, I think that's enough. I mean, this feels pretty busy so far. Okay, favorite moment of the week. Stellan's birthday, because he's just so cute. He was so excited. Okay, there we go. And this week is complete. I think since I'm out of town all of next week, well, almost all of next week, I'm just going to do a memory spread, which is like, we're throwing it back old school, but I think it's going to be fun. So stay tuned for that next week. But this one is finished. This turned out so pretty. I love this kit. So cute. And I love the new kit format from Sadie Stickers. This is like perfect. I love it. Thank you so much for watching this plan with me. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. And share this video with somebody you think might like it. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I'll see you next week. Bye!